Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast after iOS update. If you have updated your iOS to the latest iOS version and you're facing the issue that your battery is now draining very fast, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your settings app here, go to general, and then try to update your software first. And after updating your software, you just have to go to the background app refresh section and try to disable all our background app refresh from here. Or you can also try to enable this setting for any of your apps if you want to use or want to make a refresh apps and background, so you can allow some of your apps. Then go back from here, and here just go to the power mode. You can also try to enable low power mode for your iPhones. Go to battery, go to power mode section, and enable this low power mode option to enable low power mode. Then go back, and here go to accessibility section. You can also try to reduce motion for your iPhone. So go to motion section and enable the toggle to reduce motions. Then go back, and here go to the privacy and security section. Go to location services, toggle them off to toggle off or turn off your location services. Then go back from here, go to Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, and then just scroll down and look for the option of live activities here. Just disable this. You can also try to disable your Siri from here. So after disabling Siri, just go back, and here you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, you have to quickly press the volume up and then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to check if issue has been fixed or not. So it might be that your issue will be fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings app here and go to battery, then go to battery health, and here you can check for your maximum capacity of your iPhone battery. So if you might get here lower than 85% or 80%, so it might be that your iPhone battery has been expired. So I recommend you how to try to change your iPhone battery with an original iPhone battery. Then go back from here, and you can also try to downgrade your iOS version if you're facing this issue after updating your iOS, or you can try to wait for a few days. It might be 4 days, 5 days, to check if your issue persists. So after 4 or 5 days, you can try to downgrade your iOS version, or you can also try to contact with the Apple Store team to get official help from there. So open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Store Web. Select this iPhone from here, then select this more option, select battery life, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on check now. It will check your iPhone battery performance. Just wait for the loading here, then select this continue option here, and here just look for get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.